VPG Systems UK Limited is delighted to present to you VanWeigh, an overload protection system for vehicles with a gross weight of up to 7.5 tonnes. VanWeigh uses suspension-based technology to monitor vehicle payload and alert the driver if the vehicle or any of its axles exceed their legally permitted gross weights. VanWeigh is designed to be accurate where it is needed most when the vehicle is fully loaded. So when the vehicle is between 90 and 100% of its legal gross weight, the system is accurate to within plus or minus 2.5% of that gross vehicle weight. Please note, any measurements outside these parameters is an indication of the weight only and cannot be guaranteed, as VanWeigh is an overload protection system, not a weighing system. Your VanWeigh display should switch on automatically when your vehicle ignition is switched on. To turn the display off, touch the screen to show the system navigation icons. And then touch the standby icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen as shown. To turn the display back on again, simply touch the screen once more. There are 3 different load indication views the user can select with VanWeigh. Touch the screen and swipe left or right to change the view. In each of the different views, you can see the load indicated for the front axle, the load for the rear axle, and the total load for the vehicle. When the weight changes, the values increase or decrease as shown. Remember, VanWeigh is an overload protection system, not a weighing system, so any weight shown is only an indication until it reaches 90% of the gross vehicle weight. Use the axle weight indicators to help ensure that the vehicle is evenly loaded. Whilst doing this, you may notice that applying a load to one axle can reduce the load on the other. For example, when the rear of the vehicle is not loaded, the load on the front axle will appear greater and much closer to its legal limit, especially with a driver and passenger on board, than it would if the vehicle was fully loaded. When the load on either axle exceeds 90% of its maximum capacity, the green axle load icon will change to amber, visually warning the user that the axle is approaching its maximum load. At 90% of the maximum gross vehicle weight, the total load indicator will do likewise. Once the load on any axle exceeds 100% of its maximum capacity, its icon will turn red and an audible alarm will sound until the axle load is reduced to below 100% once more. In the event that the gross vehicle weight is exceeded, this icon will also change colour to red and the same audible alarm will sound. Touch the mute icon on the top right of the screen to mute the alarm. To adjust the brightness of the display, touch the screen to show the menu navigation icons and touch the configuration icon. Next, touch display to show the display settings and adjust the brightness by touching and holding the plus or minus icons as shown. Finally, touch the save icon to save your new brightness settings. Touch the home icon to return to the main weight screen. If you have any questions or need any further assistance using VanWeigh, please call us on 01274 771177 and select option 2 for our service team, or email us on obw.uk@vpgsensors.com.